So you got the monetization notification. Congratulations to you. So does that mean that once you get your YouTube pin, you're going to receive your money immediately?
It's about to go down.
Let's talk about it.
Ivy makes her life a show. Yeah. Every day she's on the go. Yeah. Editing clips through the night. Living, dreaming in the light. I'm saying, girl, you live it right, bringing joy to our lives, baby.
Hi guys, I'm Ivy and this is Hang with Ivy. Karibuni tena. For those who are new here, karibuni sana, tunawapenda. We do different type of content on this channel. You can go through our videos and check if this is for you. If it is, let me know down in the comment section what you'd like to see more of on this channel. We just got monetized and we are letting people know the tips and tricks that you can do to get there faster. Yes, you definitely get your money immediately, but there's a catch. There's always a catch to everything, let me tell you guys. So yeah, you get your money immediately because they start counting your money immediately. They've sent you the notification that you can apply for your monetization, for your AdSense pin. So if you go to your YouTube studio, if you've been monetized, you'll see a place where it's been written earn. In the area where it's been written earn, you can see how much money you're going to earn immediately you get monetized. Immediately you input your pin that you're going to receive. However, there's what is it called? There's an amount you need to reach for you to be able to withdraw your earnings. So it's just like any online, if you've ever done those online survey things or remote tasks or those things, there's usually like an amount you need to get so that you can be able to withdraw. So your money is just going to be there. Even if you earned 1,000, 2,000, it's going to be there, but you can't withdraw it until you get to a certain threshold, until you meet the threshold. So yes, you do get your money immediately, and if you've met the threshold or gone over and above the threshold, you can withdraw your money immediately. You just need to put how you want to withdraw your money. Once you put that, you can withdraw your money at whatever time you want. So that is the video for today. If you have any questions, like I always say, leave your comments down below and I'll answer each and every of your questions. We'll be doing one video a day and 2 shorts, and I'll just in the next video I'll show you guys how much progress I've made, if it's even helped at all, that from the time I started posting regularly. If there's a difference, I'll show you guys my analytics, and then you can judge for yourselves if posting regularly is a thing that I should continue doing or not. Ciao, see you on the next one.
Bringing joy to our lives, babe.